Hello guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. Today we'll be discussing on how to withdraw your Lion Airdrop from your Athene app. So guys, if you have been active on the Athene network for about a month or more, you should be eligible for the Athene Airdrop. As long as you are mining gem and it's being converted to Athene at the end of the month, you also receive the Lion Airdrop. Let's open our Athene app. So guys, click on the wallet icon at the bottom. Then click on airdrop. That's among the 6 options at the top. Click on airdrop. Then, you need a wallet address. That's the Ethereum address. Let's get it from our Trust wallet. So you just copy your Ethereum address at the top, receive, then you copy your address. Let's head back to our Athene. Amount to claim, maximum, the address we copied, paste, then send OTP. They will send OTP to my email. Let's check for the OTP. Copy and head back to the Athene and paste the OTP. Confirm and make sure the address you copied is you copied it from the way. Just do it the way I did it. You can copy it from OKS, you can copy it from Trust Wallet, but make sure you copy the right address. Then confirm, because you cannot change it as long as you set it, you cannot change it. So guys, that is how to withdraw your Lion Airdrop from your, as you can see, the Lion Air balance is showing 0 now. So guys, I hope this video has been very helpful. Thanks for watching guys. Kindly subscribe and turn on post notification for more content like this. See you in our next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.